We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the Stuffed Animals Storage Hammock Net Corner by mirolam. This product is designed to offer a large, stylish, and practical solution for storing stuffed animals while adding a decorative touch to any room. Measuring 41 inches by 41 inches by 53 inches, the two-pack set provides ample space to hold a significant number of plush toys, helping to save valuable floor space. Made from 100% premium cotton, these macrame-style hammocks are not only soft and eco-friendly, but also extremely durable, ensuring long-lasting use. The cotton material is thick and of high quality, contributing to the hammock's sturdiness and aesthetic appeal. Unlike plain toy nets, this handmade hammock doubles as a charming bohemian decor piece, making it a visually pleasing addition to bedrooms, playrooms, or nurseries. The design is creative and fun, allowing children to display their stuffed animals in a unique way that enhances the room's atmosphere. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, with included wall-mounting anchors and hooks that ensure the hammock remains securely in place. Most users report that it can be hung within 10 minutes without professional help. However, some have noted that the instructions regarding the drill bit size for the anchors may require adjustment, suggesting a smaller drill bit than the recommended 8 mm for a snug fit. It is also advised to check for wall studs before drilling to avoid complications. The hammock's triangular shape and foldable feature add to its versatility, allowing it to fit various room corners and be stored easily when not in use. Customers appreciate the net's capacity, often surprised by how many stuffed animals it can hold without losing shape or durability. It supports a good weight, making it suitable for a large collection of plush toys. The black color option fits well with many decor themes, especially boho styles, and the hammock maintains its appearance even when filled with numerous stuffed animals. Many users highlight the product's ability to keep rooms tidy and organized, reducing clutter and creating a cleaner space. Parents particularly value this aspect, noting how it helps manage their children's stuffed animal collections effectively. The hammock is also washer-resistant, which adds to its practicality and ease of maintenance. Some reviewers mention that the large size may take up considerable wall space, so placement should be planned accordingly. Despite this, the overall consensus is that the product offers excellent value for money due to its combination of quality, capacity, and visual appeal. The hammock's design allows for visibility of the stuffed animals, turning storage into a display that children enjoy. This feature makes it a perfect solution for those who want to preserve and showcase their plush collections rather than hide them away. The product's returnless refund guarantee from mirolam further enhances customer confidence, emphasizing the brand's commitment to satisfaction. In summary, the Stuffed Animals Storage Hammock Net Corner is a highly recommended storage solution that blends functionality with style. It is easy to install, durable, and capable of holding a large number of stuffed animals, all while contributing to a neat and attractive room environment. If you own this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel and assist you in finding this excellent storage option.